this video, let's talk about are wheel spacers safe?
To tell the truth, Toyota wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any Toyota wheel spacers that are installed. Generally, hub-centric wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug bolt can hold it flush against the mounting place. These Toyota wheel spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tightly fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality Toyota wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Toyota wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Toyota wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Toyota wheel spacers ensures safety and is almost always save money in routine maintenance. Bonus forged multi-stage hub-centric Toyota wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric middle ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Toyota wheel spacers and the safer your driving will be. Thus, bonus forged multi-stage hub-centric Toyota wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exclusive and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. A key advantage of bonus Toyota wheel spacers is the Lightweight Plus feature. The benefit of the Lightweight Plus design of bonus forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous January product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicles and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.